I swear to God, if I run into these girls, I will kill them. I'm going for it. I regret having you as my son. Officer, handcuff him and take him off this place.
Let me have the gun.
I'm also disappointed in you, father. I regret having you as my father. It's your crave for women that made me do this to you.
Take him off this place. My friend. Move. Respect yourself. Don't push me like that.
Sorry for the interruption, but I must do my work, which I came here. Who is Ujunwa and Aboso? Huh?
I'm the one.
Good. Who is Chisom Eze?
Looking at you, madam.
Good. Who is Ethel Onkwe? Who is Ethel Onkwe? I am.
Any problem?
Beautiful and classy. Join us, let's go.
For waiting now.
Stand up! Stand up!
Hey,
Move and stop asking questions.
do you want food or what? Which one do you want?
Move! Here.
Move! The money. Move.
For waiting, just come here, come say me with the move. That's what you do.
Madam, that's why you're taking them to a list now. At least you can find them, madam. Eh? Police. Madam. Hey, I told you. Look at anything else. Not gonna be. Come, you say what's in be? I asked a question. What's in be now?
Yeah. Alright, that's nice. Okay, you can come to the hotel, okay? But make sure you call me before coming. Alright. Good. Bye.
Baby, is everything okay?
Oh yes, everything is perfectly fine.
Okay. Let's go to your hotel room. I want to have you.
No, I think we should go to... There's a lounge over here. Let's go there and chill for a while before going to the hotel. Yeah, what's up, bro? Good. Listen, I need 3 girls. I need 3 girls right now. Yeah, what's the bill? 500k, yeah? It's alright, I'll send it to your account. Just get them ready, they'll join me by 8 p.m. at my hotel room. Same place. Yeah. Alright, man. Bye.
Baby.
Yes?
What do you mean you need 3 more girls? I don't understand.
What do you mean? What do I mean? I need 3 more girls. You heard me right. I need 3 more girls. Huh? What's your business?
But I'm here.
What do you mean you're here? For God's sake, it's my money. I can spend it anyhow I want. If you don't want to be part of the party, you leave the party. Simple.
Why are you like this?
I swear to God, One more word from you and I'll kick you out of this room. What's this nonsense now? Why are you stressing me? Stop. Check your account, I just send the money. Bye, girl.
You said there were 2 police officers.
Yes, ma'am. A policewoman and a policeman.
Ma, they just came and left with them.
They came and left with them? In handcuffs or what? Was that an arrest?
Ma, they doesn't sound as if it was an arrest.
Ma, there was an arrest. I told you those girls were no good, but you didn't believe me. The eye is not clear.
So how will police come here to inconvenience my customers? Eh?
Ma,
why?
They don't disturb any customers, so they only came and picked who they want to pick and left with the person in peace.
Priscilla,
Eh?
One more word from you, you will get out of here and never come back. Why would you not alert me the moment the police came here? How can you two be so dull and annoying? If not all these cheap gossips that is not even complete, haphazard informations. Please get out. Until where's? The only thing you people are good at is cheap gossips. That will not amount to anything. Your informations are always haphazard. Cheap gossip that will not amount to anything.
I know you girls must be wondering the reason for the arrest. But if you can be honest with yourselves, I think you know why. But if you are still in doubt with your consciences, why I go get you something to drink? Loud mouths.
Oh my God. What is it? Hey! What is it with you and this your joke hypocrite? I knew it.
Now this watch was given to my father by one of his wealthy friends. This watch is actually a diamond wristwatch worth millions of dollars. If this watch gets missing, I'll be the prime suspect because of the issues I'm having with my father right now. That's where you girls come to play.
What you're trying to say is that you want us to steal your father's wristwatch for you.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
And you girls are getting 50% of its worth.
No vessel. Where your papa again?
My father is a commissioner of police.
Give me. Eh? Hey.
But you have nothing to worry about. He likes women so much. That's why I want you guys to do this. You're fit for this role.
Hold on a sec. You want us to go rob a commissioner of police? A whole commissioner of police? Hey, bro, you won't kill us? Because this is suicidal, girls. What kind of job is this? I'm out.
Madam, will you shut up? Shut up! You like poverty? Ask her.
Wait, see this one where you be say even when you begin sup now you go first pick race. You dey bring man come to me. You get my reach me? And they try correct on her head. Tell her say this is risk. This one is more than risk. This one na death sentence.
What is the difference with the knack where you can knack you for push? No be risk you that they take. What is the difference with this one?
You don't just get anything for your head apart from knack, threesome, knack. This one don't damage you.
Sir, you said 50%, right?
Yes, yes.
Of course.
Put him there.
I'm in too. I'm in 100%.
Yes.
Now, yes.
I'll be outside.
Oh, Daddy.
As soon as he comes into gold, you're confusing me. Oh.
God forbid I get involved in such. Never. Do you guys know what you're talking about? A whole commissioner of police? Hey!
No, take microphone.
No, talk. Shout and make everybody hear it. Why you like to shout? You don't fit for once, talk like a woman. Why? I'm sorry, guys. What I'm trying to say is that the risk outweighs whatever gain or whatever money we will get from this. Let's not even get involved at all.
Okay. Madam, how can you make money without risk?
Okay. this particular one will land the three of us in jail. Do you want to get involved?
So being in poverty and then wallowing in misery, what's the difference? No, just tell me, jail and poverty, what's the difference?
There's no difference at all, but maybe we should tell Madam Good.
This girl no dey ever get sense.
Madam what?
Hi.
Madam what?
She no dey ever think with her brain.
What did they worry this girl?
She always dey think through her anus.
Breasts! Not even anus. What is wrong with you? We should tell who? Madam Gold. Madam Gold, you and I know. That is very greedy. Madam Gold will collect the lion's share and leave us with peanuts. Nothing. Peanuts. You call that thing money? That thing she gives us money. That thing that we will suffer, take risk and everything. She will still give us peanut after we don't straff man. Now that thing they call money. Don't even try it.
If you know say you know they're interested for this delay, just gently, just wildly, just take up your tacky wacky ass from that seat and go and make yourself useful. Or better still, go and have something. There's somebody there. Go and give him drink.
So all I'm saying is that this is so risky. But if you guys insist, good luck.
Oh yeah, they get up now, they go.
Not be this girl, Naim Papa they suffers for stroke, so she don't get sense. What did they worry you? Your papa they suffer for stroke, you no go take him to hospital because money no dey. Now we see better business, we will go wrong. Now you can't they talk this yama way they talk. What did they worry you?
You know what be her problem?
What be your problem now?
Leave her. You know say she see the wear Queen Elizabeth shoe.
No.
You know that like say she dey for London, she dey arrive.
They see money
she
when
don't know say hunger go still come.
See this one.
No, she feel slashes now.
Come rub wet.
Your mates don't dey to human hair lashes, still dey for synthetic, they feel yourself. They koga.
You no see her.
Federal hunger. Get up, go come out tell me Kusiro, then we talk better thing for our life.
What do you they call that thing again? Expired
ostrich. Fracking and caralong. Rubbish.
He has not urinated since morning.
Jesus.
And he's in so much pain.
Oh my God. Hey, Papa. What happened to his urine drugs we bought for him?
It has finished. And I don't have a dime to replace them. If we don't do anything, we might lose him.
No. God forbid. Nothing will happen to him. God will not allow shame to come to us. I reject it in Jesus' name. Mama, don't worry. Let me go seek for help. Please.
Help? From where? Your salary barely fits us in this house.
Mama, don't worry. I'll try. I'll be right back. Please, look after him.
Are you sure you're safe? My husband, see what you're causing. Your daughter is doing everything to save you.
Please, ma. He's dying. Just help us, please. In the name of God, I'm begging you.
What would you have me do? Haven't I done enough for you girls? Should I kill myself for you people?
No, ma. No. You've done enough for me and my family already. Please. But this particular case is just urgent. My father hasn't urinated since morning. I just need any amount of money to get him some drugs, please.
Why don't you take him to the hospital?
Exactly where I wanted to take him to, but I can't afford any hospital bills right now.
I really do not have money. You know, clients haven't been coming like before. You see why? I don't know why you're behaving the way you're doing. The last client I sent you to complain about how you mistreated him. You see why I begged you to do this work with all your heart? Consider the fact the one we pay at the bar might not be enough. You use this one to augment. In times like this, you use it to take care of your father.
I promise to do better right now. Please, can you send me to any clients? I will treat the person very well.
I don't even know what to do or where to get a client. Because I told you they are not coming. Just that one is trying to show interest. But he's not been answering my call. I don't know if I should call him if you're available to go. Because he too is doing guy now. Doesn't want to be mistreated.
I'm available. I'm ready, ma. I'll just go from here now. Please. I'll be of good behavior, please. I promise you.
Let me call him.
Yes, please. My father is dying. I just need money to buy drugs that will help ease his urine flow. Please, anyhow you can help me, Biko.
My dear, I don't know how we can help you, but the thing is that maybe you should try Madam Gold. Go and ask her to help you.
I've already spoken to her, but she says she doesn't have enough money on her to assist me with right now.
Really? Your almighty Madam Gold does not have money to assist you with right now. And you are boldly opening your tacky mouth to say it.
Please, my sisters, all I'm asking.
Stop this thing you're doing.
Uju, all I'm asking is for you people to just borrow me.
But how can we borrow you?
At the end of the month, once I receive my salary, I will pay you people
I need
back.
to understand something. When you came to this place as you're walking in, did you by any chance see Uju Microfinance Bank on my forehead? Does here look like some central bank where you can loan some money and pay back later with your wretched poverty-stricken life? Are you crazy? Have you lost it?
Hey, Uju.
But you said you were not going to join us. So why would you think we are going to give you money?
No.
Okay.
How did they used to say it? What is wrong with you?
I don't understand.
What is wrong with you? Osime, tell. What is wrong with you? I've told you, join us. Let's enter.
Join who, Kwano?
Join us.
My sister, the door is closed though.
With this Queen Elizabeth shoe where she wear. This thing might be like what Jesus went from Galilee to Jerusalem. With this poverty that is written all over her. Now she won't use follow us. Maybe me and you go follow. My sister, I am done with the Gentiles.
Calm down now.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down. Okay, or you use because of her shoe. And pity her. Let's use because of her shoe. At least she will make money and then change her wacky.
No, I said wacky-tacky. That's what I said.
Okay.
No, I don't like it because she was making it look like we were the devil with her jokery, pokey, stupid attitude. See, and I come out here. I don't know what you are there to talk. I'm leaving this place. Because I'm so pissed right now. I don't want somebody infecting me with her stupid poverty.
She's our friend.
What stupid friend? They say, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. We might be wearing white cap, white shirt, but the shoes are not the same. It's not the same, my sister. We're not on the same level. Can't take care of the stupid generation. I'm out of this place, so I'm not going to fuck my life.
Hey, your condition is very, very permanent. Like this. That I'm seeing you.
I tell.
You too. It's not me too. You can see she said you should change your jokery pokry. I don't know what she's pokering, but please. You self, your shoe is not even encouraging. Enter streets with us and make money, and in fact, even if I'm seeing this shoe, it's even making me more angry.
So, this invite will get you two into the party. As soon as you get there, well, it's good to have you here finally.
It's not about finally. It's because of my sick father. That is why I'm here. I just want to make money and take very good care of him.
And thank God that your sense day is back today. Thank God for that. So you don't know that once you make this money, your father will be super proud of you. And the money will add 20 good years to his life. So you don't know.
Hey, Baba God. You thinking you can advise me is actually a jailable offense. Yes.
Okay. Sadly, you were saying something.
As I was saying earlier, I would
You must sit now. Did they find bouncer here?
I'll actually get another card to get her into the party too. Now, this party is for dignitaries, politicians. You're going to find my father there. I want you guys to make sure he's not suspicious whatsoever. You just take him to the hotel, make sure he falls asleep, and then you bring that thing that belongs to us properly.
That's no problem. Very easy job.
Yeah.
But there's a third party manager.
You know?
It's okay.
No
tension.
Sister, how was the journey? Thank God for safe journey.
Mama, good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon.
Uju, Mom.
How are you?
You're back.
Yes.
The auntie is here.
Welcome, Auntie.
I can see you're fine.
Thank God you are here at the right time.
Eh?
Now, your auntie was telling me how she wants to take you to Oka so that she can enroll you in school. Yes.
She wants to take me, Uju, to Oka, to go and do what? To go to school or to serve somebody? I don't understand. Mama, please, I am not interested in that school. No, I am not interested one bit. No, I'm not.
Uju?
Yes. I don't want to leave the vicinity of this village.
Oh, Uju? You are not interested in school?
No, I'm not.
And you don't want to leave the vicinity of this village?
No, I don't want to.
So, can you understand a village name?
I'm busy.
Busy with Togeno? Hey! One name. Huh? Uju? Uju, what is wrong with going to Oka for schooling? Ask me. Eh? I thought you should have been excited about it.
Please, Mama, if you don't mind, I hate repeating myself. I had a very stressful day without my stupid friend that called herself Chisom. Today, but by God's grace, I was able to hold myself. So please, if you don't mind, I want to go inside there, take my beat, and I'm sure you kept a very sweet food for me. As for following anybody to the city, to go to school or to do anything, I am not interested in serving anybody or being with any taki-waki auntie or any charlatan. Thank you. I'm tired.
Even before your auntie, you are talking back at me. Uju, what is wrong with going to Oka for schooling? Eh? Is there anything the matter with you? Thank God you are here. So you can now see what I've been passing through in her hands.
Let her be.
It's a Mugene. I say let her be. It's like she has made up her mind to be useless. Mbano. She can't be useless now. I thought you came here to help now. It's a Mugene, let her be. Mbano. Yeah.
Mama, it is very simple and clear. If she really wants to better my life, then let her enroll me in the school that is in this town. I don't want to leave this place, eh? I don't want to.
Ujunwa, are you okay?
I'm very okay.
Is something wrong with you? Hey, somebody that genuinely wants to better your life. You refuse, but you prefer to work with that greedy woman called Madam Gold. Eh? Or whatever she calls herself. Ujunwa, Ijubu Chegi. Are you okay upstairs?
Mama, I'm very okay. This is not about Madam Gold. It is not. Even if I have to break it down for you, you will not still understand it.
It is not about Madam Gold. So it's about what? It's about what? Now, you just choose to remain in this town and be loitering around all over, doing stupid things. Uju?
Mama, I've said my own. Seriously, I'm very tired. I had a very stressful day at work. If she wants to better my life and help me just the way you said it, then let her enroll me in the school in this town. What is so hard? Mama, I'm not leaving you for any reason, no. We die here, we pin in this town, Mama. And we dey run this town.
Hey.
Wait, I want to get something clear here. You mean you're here to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage? As in, you want to marry my daughter?
Yes, ma. I love your daughter so much and I want to make her mine. She's a hard-working lady and she's respectful lady and I like her.
Oh, you've already known all these qualities.
Yes, ma.
That's to show you how much I have invested in raising her to this level. My daughter is the most admired girl in this village.
Yes,
do you know how many men that have been coming asking for her hand in marriage? Do you know?
Well, I don't know, but it's a good thing to know that she's beautiful and she's attractive enough to attract men to come ask for her hand in marriage. You know, I don't know, but it's a good thing. I love her.
I like you probably hear them now.
Yes, ma.
What do you do for a living?
Ma, I'm a businessman. And thank God business is moving gradually.
You are thanking God the way things are moving in your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Just look at you. You are thanking God the right things are well. I thank God. What are you thanking God for? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? You're not afraid? Eh? Hey!
Mama, what is it? I heard What is it? I heard your voice from inside. What is going on?
Come and see the thing that came to asking for your hand in marriage. Zaya.
Do you remember me? The other day you were on your way to fetch water. I met you. Stanley, it's me, Stanley.
Of course I do now. And you had the effrontery, the temerity to come to my house. With your poverty face, with your stinking face, with your stinking self, you have the temerity to come to my house. Now you listen to me. The next time you try such rubbish again, coming to my house uninvited, I'll make sure I deal with you mercilessly. Get out.
Oh yeah? Leave. Get out!
You want me to leave? Leave?
I said, get out! Get out of my house now!
But get
out! I call the stockfish out on Uncle.
I am not poor.
What can you cook?
I am trying.
Get out.
Let me see. I love you.
And you get out!
I love you, baby. I'll come back for you. I love you.
This man is he's a madman, no? Hey! Look at him.
Mama, please, I can't deal.
Should come. Why is it? It's only the two of you that are at work. What about the rest?
Ma, they didn't come to work today.
What? Did they tell people that they won't be coming today?
Ma, even their phones are all switched off. Yes, ma. As if they plan on not coming today to work.
Wait a minute. What gave them the right? So they now have the temerity, the boldness, the guts to come to work when they want and not to come when they want. It's alright. I will handle them accordingly. But because you now joke with my business, I am going to play with your salary as at when due. Yes, I'm going to do that. You can go back to what you were doing.
Okay, ma.
Oh, the drink is cold.
Yes, ma.
And get me the customer's notebook.
Okay.
The sales book. Daddy. Let me see now. All this tastes really good. Yeah. Daddy, how do you like it? Hard and soft. Ooh, Daddy. Like that. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. You want like this? Or you want like this? It was like this. Oh my goodness. Oh, Daddy. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, I enjoy it. Daddy. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Daddy. Girls here. Here, is it there? That's it.
Good morning, sir.
Who are you? What are you doing?
The room service, sir. I thought there was no one in the room, so I've been knocking and there was no answer. That's why I came in. But I can just go back.
Where are you going? Where are the guests I came here with?
The girls, they are all gone.
Gone?
Yes.
Are you crazy? Gone to where? Are you crazy? My diamond watch. My dollars. My ATM card. Oh God. No. So these guests are criminals. God. Don't you have security here? What is your manager? Oh God. Call your manager for me. Call your manager. Okay. Well, don't you have security here? God. What is happening to me? Is it a dream?
Where were the three of you yesterday? That you had the guts to abstain yourselves from work without taking permission from me.
Mama, we went for church program. Church service.
Yes. All of you are even confused on the one you went. So you went for a church service on a Wednesday.
No ma, it's midweek
FAC
service. Yes, FAC.
Liar. And who brought you into this matter?
Sorry, ma.
Are they talking to you?
Sorry, ma. I'm a boy. Okay, ma.
For going for this one, your salaries will be deducted. And if it happens next time, you will be out of my restaurant because I cannot tolerate this. As you go to that church service to collect your salaries. No. You went for a party.
Hey, party?
Yes!
Oh, we don't go for any party.
Now you're lying, you went for a church service.
Oh, we don't go for any party. I can never go to party. Ma, this heavenly race. No, I cannot lose
me. Look at them. Do you know your mouth is saying something else and your eyes are saying something else?
It's because we are saying the truth, ma. Sorry.
Shut up!
Sorry, ma.
You're saying the truth. Which truth? Do you know what truth is? Guys, something happens. Trust me. I'll do what you all will not like.
We are sorry, ma.
Get out of my presence.
Okay, ma.
There's a display for each other to understanding to say the story. Look at them. And whose phone is this? Who owns this phone amongst all of you? Look at the kind of phones you're using in my shop. Look at it. Since nobody wants to accept the phone, it becomes mine.
Ezine. Wanyoma. You are blessed. You are well blessed. If you see how well people speak about your daughter, it go nowhere blessed.
God has blessed me indeed. God used that girl to bless me, to wipe away shame, to be giving me joy. She's everything that I have got. She has all the qualities. There's nothing that girl doesn't do for me in this house. Oh. Hey, where will I start from?
You know, it is more than rare to find such a young, beautiful, respectful and humble girl like that.
You can say that.
That is why I've come to tell you that my younger brother that stays in Cameroon will come and ask her hand in marriage. Come on, I go, no. It's only boy.
Ojikwego. I hope he has money.
Yeah.
Because that is the only language I can listen to now.
My brother Ejike is trying, you know. I'm okay.
It's a try.
Now, when I'm okay, I say, man, now one ball.
Please, I don't want anybody that is still trying or struggling, whatever name you can use. I don't want anybody that is still struggling. I want a capable, wealthy man who can take very good care of my daughter. Please. Yes, I want somebody that can take care of my daughter and myself too. I have tried now. Will I continue suffering?
I know, but are you rejecting suitors for her?
Why would I reject suitors for her?
It's not good though. No. It's not good.
Do you know how many suitors that I have?
No. Ezinne, you are my very good friend. You don't need to reject suitors for your daughter because it will make her make mistake in choosing a husband. And she will start suffering in marriage. Yeah, it's gonna now.
Are you now telling me how to handle my issue? How to handle my daughter? Just advising you. People to choose for my daughter? Is that what you are trying to do? I want wealthy man that is going to take very good care of her. Because she has all the qualities. Please. Oh, now one level cage of baby, you have to one side. Excuse me. Okay.
Priscilla!
Sorry, do you want more?
Priscilla! Priscilla! No, what was the meaning of that nonsense you told Madam Good? What was the meaning of that nonsense? That rubbish you were uttering with your stinking dirty mouth to Madam Good. What was the meaning of that?
You're the one something is wrong with. For leaving your job to a party on a Wednesday.
Hey, too much no evidence. Can you prove it? No, which party did you see us attend on a Wednesday? No, leave it. Even if we partied on a Wednesday, how the hell is that your business?
Wait, you think me, Priscilla, is scared of you?
Like what Priscilla?
Hey! See this mad girl so? You think I don't know what you girls do in the dark? I am going to expose you girls soon. Don't worry.
Priscilla wants to expose us.
Wait, mad girls. Hey. I don't understand.
Mad girls. Priscilla, you called us mad girls. Mad girls. I know your problem. Your problem is jealousy. It's over you.
Me, yes.
The jealousy is killing you.
Jealous of you guys. Ashawo.
Hey, me,
Ashawo. Hey, you think I don't know what you guys do in the dark? I should tell them.
Ashawo.
I know waiting now they do for dark. I know.
No, what did she just call us now?
Ashawo. Okay, Ashawo.
Eshi. Okay.
What will you girls do?
At least so, I want to go home and rest.
I'm not getting from this place. Who be this expired ostrich when they talk?
I am going
to listen to me. I don't have time for this place to talk. I don't have time for this place to talk. Next time you will try me this process again.
What I am actually trying to say is, hey, you shouldn't afford that girl because you know she must definitely tell Madam Good, and that's another trouble. Which Madam Good?
Let her try it. No, let her try it at all. I will give her dozens of beatings. We'll beat the living daylight out of her.
I don't even know what is wrong with that girl. Especially that Priscilla, one more fear Priscilla.
And be jealousy.
I don't know, she's so bitter.
Very bitter. Very bitter. Like, are we even mates? We're not even her mates.
Just the way that her face looks like a maggoted face that is being used like a mosaic art in the zoo.
Mosaic art. Please, Ujunwa, where do you regret all these names?
I believe me, that girl had to vex me.
Nah, me, I don't understand. I don't even know why she's always prognosing. She wants to know what we do, but over my dead body to tell her or make her find out what we do. It's not possible.
Wait, speaking of what we do, we have now delivered the diamond wristwatch to Kenny. When is he paying us? I'm talking to you, leader in shady dealings. When is Kenny paying us our money? Because my father is dying and I need my money.
Next week. Next week.
What is wrong with you? Yes. You two they tackle with this.
I don't know.
I don't know. Quiet, make I talk.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is that we need to get our money.
Because me, I need to relocate from this nonsense place. I need to enter town. I have to do business. You see that kind of business that Madam Gold does? Yes. My eyes is there. I want to do that kind of business. Yes.
No, I cannot deal with such. I want to go into real estate.
Yes.
No, because if I deal in this kind of business Madam God is doing, I will be roasting people like shawarma and barbecue, keeping them in the ocean where they'll be chilling with the sharks. I can't deal with that jokery, pokery, retarded attitude. And you know me, I'm zero to tolerance to bullshit. I can't. I don't know how you guys want to do it. I can never try it.
Please, this is not my business. My own is my father that is dying. I just need my money to sort him out. That's all.
You said when they talk. Maybe your mama won't make you marry. You're not gonna marry again.
Me marry. Jay-Z body like me. Marry. For waiting. Please, that one is not in my dictionary at all. When I have business that I'm going to use girls to do in the city, I'm not going to marry anything because I need my money. That's what I'm saying. Biko.
Let's go now.
I don't know the way to your house.
It's like this fight or whatever has entered your brain because you are no longer taking
people should come. Let's go. I'm very, very angry and hungry.
Really?
This girl just took my.
Is it that right somebody but your brain is down touching? Hey.
Thank you. Come back, bro.
Why are you crying now? Why are you still crying? Stop now. You went and confronted people that are bigger and stronger than you.
It's your fault, Odinye. Leave me alone. If I slap you, you see yourself in the mortuary. Leave me.
You are transferring aggression as if I'm the one that beat you up.
Were you not there?
Yeah.
Were you not there where those girls were beating me up? Instead, you ran away. How did you intervene?
What do you have me do, Ne? I should go and fight people that are stronger than me?
You're a coward, Odinye. You were a coward.
Priscilla, I have told you to calm down. Leave these people alone and take their thoughts out of your mind. We are going to be here one day. They will enter problem.
No.
We are going to laugh at them.
No. I am going straight to Madam Go to tell her what Iju and her friends did to me. Look at see she beats me up. I'm going to go and tell Madam Go so she will sack those girls. And promise me I'm going to send boys after her to beat her.
You started. I will be here when the problem will start.
Nah, leave me.
I'm going home.
Leave me. Go home. I'm going to go meet Madam Go right now.
Don't say I didn't warn you when the problem will start. Hey, I'm not.
Hey! All our strive has gone in vain.
Calm down.
Wake me up from this lava. Mi mamá viniste,
You don't take my calls anymore. Why?
That's because I've been busy.
Are you trying to tell me now that you're too busy for me?
I am trying to tell you that my work is too hectic. And once I'm done, I'll be tired. And that's it.
Do you want to quit the job? You know, I don't mind. I can take good care of you.
I don't want to quit my job. In fact, I love my job. Anyways, how are you?
As you can see, I'm fine, just like the way you left me. See, listen, I've missed you so much. I'm not happy we're not spending time together. Okay, fine. Since you're done for the day, let me just drop you off.
No, don't worry. I As you can see, I'm with my friend Uju.
Okay, I don't mind. I'll drop both of you home, okay? Just hop in. Let me drop you guys home.
We are going to somewhere. Don't worry. It's just close by. We can manage. Thank you.
Well, I hope you will take my calls when I call you because you've not been taking my calls lately.
I'll try. And
I've missed you so much, okay? Please. And I want us to spend time together. Okay?
Okay. I'll think about it.
Call me if you need anything, okay? I need my aid and my assistance, okay?
I'll call you.
Alright. I'll be careful, okay?
I will. Bye.
Mama, what is the meaning of this one now? What do you mean? No, tell me! Mama, what is the meaning of this? Can you figure out those? Why don't you know if I can body this character now?
The meaning is this. Since you have refused to grant my request, there will be no more food for you in this house. Yes.
Mama, food? So all this, not keeping food for me after a long day at work, is because I refused to grant your request. Mama, because I'm an adult and I've made up my mind and made my choice for myself. To do what is making me happy. That is why you don't want to give me food.
Adult. You are an adult. Fine, good, you are an adult. Then fend for yourself. Feed yourself. Buy food for yourself, Ujungwa. Buy food for yourself, adult.
No problem.
No. See, Ujungwa, your next line of action is to leave this house. Yes. Yes, so.
Hey, Mama. Hey, God, I don't even want to believe my eyes. Mama, all these things you're doing is because I refuse to go to school. Because I don't want to go to school yet. I want to do what makes me happy. That is why you're doing all these things. You now take me in this 1924 old record shaken wacky pot. If I buy you, because of this nonsense pot, Mama. The pot that they managed to buy in 1992 before one in 1993. Because of this rubbish.
But it's still the same pot that has been feeding you all this while.
Mama, who's feeding me? Mama, have you managing this pot? Mama, all the food they are using this pot to cook all that total. I just be managing it. Other people have upgraded to a better pot.
Thank God.
I will go outside and eat.
Give you again,
I will go outside and eat.
You go outside and eat.
No problem. I will go outside and eat.
Go outside and eat.
Keep it to yourself. You don't want with this nonsense pot. If I can use no go. This thing. What are you to do, guys? Mama, no problem. What an baby. What I want no go. Leave that thing, Mama. What I will make challenge. After eating my apple. I will go. Nonsense.
Thank God your father planted enough palm trees here. Get up now.
You want to give me food because I want you to go to school.
Come and eat now.
You are supposed to go to school.
You don't want to go to school so that you better yourself.
Mama, tell me, all my mates, they don't have to make their nails. Every time I make a sweet with iron sponge.
I thought you said you're an adult. Go and fix your nails now. You don't want to eat again. Look at you. What is all this, Biko? Kedu no kam gesi no kwachosia na aka we tell akukaki. Ujunwa, you will not kill me, oh! You will not!
Stanley, what exactly are you doing?
Babe, do you know I care about you? Do you know I love you so much? I just want you to give me a chance to make you my wife.
Honestly, Stanley, the only thing I have to tell you is that you need to leave, because if my mother should come back and meet you here, Otilo, you're gone. Just go.
I want you to talk to your mom for me. Convince her that I love you. See, if you look into my eyes, all you see is love. True love. I want to make you my wife.
Is it these eyes that I'm looking at? The only thing I see is black, white, with a touch of red. You love who? Stanley, no problem. I want to ask you a question.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you have up to 10 million naira in your account?
10 million?
10,000.
I don't have 10 million naira in my account too.
No. You don't have 10 million naira in your account. And you want to marry me. Somebody like me. Really? Do you know who I am? The most beautiful girl in this area. The most classy girl you can ever think of. And you want to marry me, you don't have 10 million naira in your account. Do you know the kind of men that is coming from me? Men that has money. When I mean money, ego nesisi. I used 10 million naira, ordinary 10 million naira as an example. Let me know if you have at least 10 million naira. But you don't even have 10 million naira. Are you kidding me? Oh jeez, such a shame.
You know I'm trying. I'm a young and hard-working guy. See, I promise that I will take care of you. I'm working hard. I want you and I to build an empire together.
Oh, okay, you want to build empire. You watch movies a lot. Is it the empire movie? Forget about what happened. Wait, let me tell you. Me, build with a man. So when on the process of building, somebody else will come and steal the cement. Is that what you're trying to say? Me, build with a man. Please, as you can see me, look at me from head to toe. Jay-Z body. Have you heard of that? I'm a pure Jay-Z body. So I don't need that nonsense. Don't try to tell me that I should build empire with you. I don't have that time. Go and build yourself. By the way, me looking at you, you will have it down there. Of course, I know you will have it down there. The only thing you need to do is to look for a sugar mommy that you're going to service very well. And they will pump you with money. That is all you need, not me. Whenever you make your money, you can come back from me. Okay? But for now, I will not suffer. Go and make money.
See, I might not have 10 million as you asked. But I have 3 million naira. At least I'm a millionaire.
You have 3 million naira. And that makes you a millionaire. 3 million naira is like 3,000 naira. This 30,000, let me upgrade it a little. You have 3 million naira. So you think that with the 3 million naira, you're not a man. You can marry. Really? Please. Don't provoke me this afternoon. Because you won't like it. Go and make money. Look at you. The only thing you have now is this thing. This is the only thing you have. Look at you all buffed up. If you have small money, you go and buy bling and people will think you have money. Go and make money and please don't disturb my life. Oh, don't even try it. Just go, leave this place. What is wrong with you? The only thing you can do now is after doing it now, you tell me, baby, you're too sweet. You carry it and knock on my head. Avoid me. Avoid me. This is not what I want. I want money. This is not what I want. Avoid me.
But I want to ask you a question. Do you want to marry a man that, at the end of everything, he cannot satisfy you in bed? Then you start looking for small boys that will be satisfying you when you're living in a mansion, eating all your money, but you can't have the sugar that you need. Right?
My love, let me tell you. Old men is the real deal. Because some of them, they don't have strength, but they have money. And once the money is there, we can handle the other part because we have sizes in the other thing. Yes, we have the different sizes. We have the medium, large, extra large. Even if you think that your own is extra, we have extra large. So you see, we don't need people that will give us this. We need people that will give us money. So carry your this thing and go look for sugar mummies that you can satisfy, not me. Don't disturb me again.
But you see, Dido does not give satisfaction. There's no feelings inside of it. You're just gonna be stressing yourself. But you see this sugar cane. Mrega. Oh. Hey, God. Mreg. Okay. Hey, Ogunekwana. Jesus Christ.
Are you okay? What is wrong with you? What's that? You don't have money. You're looking at this. You're looking at this.
I'm not looking. I just wanted to touch.
You have weapon in between your legs, and that weapon is not something that you can put here. Respect yourself. Go and make money, Mr. 3 million naira. Rubbish.
Stanley, get out!
Oh.
My dear friend, please take heart. When I heard the news, I was so devastated. Trust me, because I know how much you love this man. You love him so much.
I love my father. I love him.
Everybody knows.
I didn't want him to die. All I wanted was to show him that he gave birth to a daughter that can take very good care of him. I just wanted him to be proud of me, that's all.
Yes, I understand. But trust me, you can still make him to be proud of you by taking care of your mother. I understand how you're feeling right now. It was the same way for me. But trust me, I'm over it now. I am officially welcoming you to the club.
Which club?
The Fatherless Club. She's sorry. You're going to kill yourself if you continue like this.
Hi.
It's okay. Please.
I sent for you because a customer made payment and he requested that you come see him, you in particular. I removed my share and I said I should give you this one, even though it's small. Can you just take care of your father?
My father is dead.
What?
He died yesterday.
Oh. I am so sorry for your loss. Oh, you tried for your father. God knows you tried and God will reward you. And your father, wherever he is, he will know you tried for him. So sorry. Oh.
Challenges. It's all an opportunity for you to rise.
Hey, the number is still not reachable. It's not reachable.
Not reachable.
It's still not reachable.
Yeah.
Hey,
Come. Hey, let it not be what I'm thinking. I know what I'm saying.
Which is?
Because from day one, I had my observations about this particular deal. Make it not be waiting at the thing.
Which is?
Let it not be that this useless Kenny boy don't scam us. Yes, so because it's looking like it. Yes.
I beg. Free the guy now. Maybe his phone is down or something.
No, it's nonsense. You know, don't talk rubbish. How can his phone be down for 3 days? He promised us on Monday. Today is already Thursday. Now I got 2.
Hey, Baba God.
See, at this point, I'm beginning to think that Chisom is right.
No, she can't be right though.
The worst part is that none of us knows where this boy lives. That is the problem. So you better, cheerleader, you better find a way to reach that.
Don't get that one. Which one is cheerleader?
No, because now you be the cheerleader of this movement. I know how you people were pressurizing me to join you. All the nonsense you people said. This particular deal, the night we were striking it, was the night I lost my father. Just because I do not have money to carry him to the hospital. You better find a way. However it won't be, find a way to reach the guy.
We'll calm down. We go reach the guy now. We go reach the guy. No, they conclude. May una no they conclude yet now. May una no they tell me this thing because you get as body they do me. I can't the reason wetin they talk.
Now here I go begin change up for all of you. I need my money as a matter of however it will be.
You calm down now. Every time you're vibrating. What's the work yourself?
No,
only you do the risk. Only you do the deal.
No problem.
What's the work this
My father died because of this deal.
Make una keep quiet. Make I think Coco number.
Listen to me. I don't care about you people's money. What I'm saying is about my own money.
Oh, hey, you say they talk, no wahala. Now, how am I supposed to connect this guy with your tacky-wacky voice? Shut the fuck up. Accept that tacky-wacky something where you dey talk about.
Tacky-wacky this thing.
Tacky you reach this level. You don't find the tacky network. Better get this guy. Better get him. My money is what I'm talking about.
After all the risk.
Nigga, tacky answer your call. Answer now.
Girls, I got a gist about the party that was thrown in town last week. And guess who was in charge? Who? Kenny.
What?
Our own very Kenny.
Wait a minute. This better be a road job because... No, I mean, what?
I am telling you the gospel truth. I had to take my time to verify the authenticity of this gist. And lo and behold, it was true. Girls, we have been duped. We have been duped.
No way in the world you want to play us like that. No, we have to find him and expose him. I shall make him pay.
No, please, don't. There is no way you can expose him without exposing us.
Exactly. Listen, if you want to let him eat your own money, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. Same with you. But as for me, I repeat, I shall make him pay.
Hey. Listen, girls, stop it, please. I was able to get the main contact of where he stays right now, the address. All we need to do is go and meet him one-on-one and sort this out. No dramas.
And God save him, he do not pull any shit. Because this whole town will not contain all of us. Girls, do you realize my father died for this? No, I can't let him swindle us like that. Never. Not on my father's... Hey! Over my dead body. No possible fucking way. Hey. Okay.
Life is risky, but don't put yourself in danger. This life is vanity upon vanity. But some people want to get everything.
It's about your father, right?
No, I miss him. I miss him so much. I miss him so much. Huh? Poverty really dealt me a great blow.
Don't say that again. You don't have to say it because you did your very best.
No, Mama, I did not do enough for my father. I would have saved him.
How can you be saying that when literally every time you receive your salary, you give everything to his health?
No, I know. I'm very disappointed at myself. I can't forgive myself.
You don't have to say that, my child. Your father will be proud of you wherever he is because he knows you tried your best for him. And I am proud of you also. We were the one that's supposed to be providing for you. But because of his health, you became the breadwinner. And he will be proud of you. And I am. Stop feeling this way so that you won't put me in emotions of tears.
No, I'm fine, Mama. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Then stop worrying. Are you sure?
I'm fine now, Mama.
Erima, this one you are in my house early this morning. Hope all is well.
Ezine, you know you are my very good and trusted friend. And I will not watch and see something that will harm you and refuse to inform you or prevent it.
So, what happened exactly? Go straight to the point.
It's about the wrong. I heard something that almost deferred me this morning about your daughter Ethel.
Ethel?
Yes,
what happened? What did she do?
Oh, well, I heard that Ethel, your daughter, is a prostitute.
Hey! Stop it! Stop it!
Tell me!
How dare you come into my house and speak that rubbish? Are you stupid? You are very stupid. Because I told you that your brother will not marry my daughter. That's why you're jealous.
They're virgin.
Erima? Erimma? Oh yeah? Leave my house.
I
said leave my house!
Okay, look on the HM na begging.
My friend, get out!
So bad there.
Leave.
I will leave.
Leave!
Because
I said my daughter will not marry your brother, that's why I'm jealous. You've not seen anything.
Jealous for what?
She cannot even open the door. My daughter live here! I'm not joking.
Our money.
Excuse me, do I know you girl?
You see they speak English?
They grace. What did that one call me? Come on, give us our money.
You say what?
Mad.
No, what you talk?
No, wait. I won't understand. Okay, that street you want run us street. This one want run us street.
You don't reach to run us street. You don't reach. We go match you here. Okay, where's the money? What I do for you? I never do before in my life.
Look at me very well.
You still speaking English? Give me first. Nice man. Give me. Like second one.
Yeah, who they talk that rubbish? They doing mad. I mean, they don't joke, hypocrite attitude. What kind of a tacky, walking, nonsensical attitude is that? Have you lost it? Don't do that shit with me. I got my money.
Sorry. Relax. Don't worry. By next.
Our money.
Relax.
Our money now.
I say cool
Bring
down.
the money.
Wait, next.
No, my
next
papa.
week.
My father.
Madam, wait.
Oh, Subrile.
Wait.
My father one.
Wait. Now money we won't collect on this Michael Jackson. Don't try that nonsense with us. Better give us our money, oh. Don't try it.
Next week I'll give you.
Okay, next week.
Yes.
You will give us the money.
Yeah, I promise.
Next week. Yes, let's not stress it.
No. Which one be? You the believe this guy?
Wait, I never even hear anything I want to. See, coming down with this your jokery attitude.
I don't know.
Listen, you say next week, Abby. Next week, when you give us the money now, we'll give you your car key.
Very simple.
If we wait till next week, we'll not hear from you. We'll sell the motor, replace our money.
You know, the motor sell them.
You not even reach.
I promise you next week.
Now the same thing we dey talk next week. Best where could they go? Where would they bounce?
Come, why you dey wear the glasses now?
I want to. You don't fit me.
Come on, that thing. Now our money be that. Don't be your own. Why you dey obtain am as I say that your own? Come on, that one for hand.
Calm down now. You too short.
If we dey bounce,
where could they bounce? What's happen? I go fight that for your
face. You say waiting.
You know I need the car to get well.
Okay. You need them. You need them. You be one run on street before now. Now we won't run you.
No, don't need to run.
No, we won't run you.
See, I fucked up. Okay, I messed up. I'm going to make it up to you, girl. So please, just give me back my car key and my glasses. That's a gift from my mother.
Look at this guy. Threesome for 3 hours. You go do it. Threesome for 3 hot hours first. You go do it.
Una come here. Where my money? Now the money I did. What did you talk about?
You go do it. You know you do it.
Is it for all the money? If it's for all the money.
You say you mad. You carry me the.
You want me to obtain you? Come here. Come back.
You go do it. You not go do it.
I go do it.
Oh yeah, move. They move.
Jackson. I don't follow now. They go there. Hey. I don't follow that.
I beg, I no get strength to raise leg. I no get that strength to raise leg.
Now money will come here. Make una dey go.
You be foolish happen. Wetin be this one? Give her this thing, we go go.
I talk am say this girl no get sense.
Wetin happen?
I talk am.
This girl no get sense.
Come.
You wan go collect.
Now you go give me that money now, Uju.
Hey.
Uju. Now you go give me that money now, idiot.
This girl fit don dey raise leg. Come, make we go carry am comot. You.
Uju dey cry.
So you didn't hear what they were saying. So why are you telling me about it?
I overheard them talking about the business and discussing to deal with one Kenny guy like that.
Kenny? Who's Kenny?
I don't know. How will I know?
You see, you're giving me false information. You see why I don't like you. You were there listening to what they were saying without grabbing anything from what they were saying. Dummy.
Akmadekwaram, don't insult me. What is your problem now?
You say?
Be careful the way you speak to me.
It's you that is insulting yourself, madam, for bringing false information to me. You were there listening to what they were saying without grabbing anything from them.
I don't blame you, do I? I don't blame you because I wasted my time giving you information.
Madam, next time,
Nyala.
if you don't know what you're saying, don't come to me with false information, okay?
Nyala. Don't blame me. I beg you, Maternal.
You won't listen. You won't listen first.
Girls, see as it stands now, maybe we should tell Madam Gold.
Eh?
Yes, now.
In a mental. Hey. Can you help that a fool girl who can never say anything reasonable in this life?
This one I don't
No, why do you always like opening your mouth? Wow! You start talking rubbish. All the gibberish, all the wrong sense will start ranting out from your smelling mouth. Eh? Can't you just listen before you talk?
What do you want me to say?
No, what is bringing Madam God in this matter now?
Hey, Baba God.
Uju, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? Why won't I bring Madam Gold? Let's tell Madam Gold. The woman has ginger now. Let Madam Gold, let her help us.
No, listen to yourself talk with your head. No, you want to go and tell Madam Gold. Madam Gold that we went behind her to strike the deal. And you think she will be clapping for you, Akwaya? No, you have sense. Listen to me. There is no way we are going back to that woman. No way. The best thing for us to do right now is to threaten that bastard. Tell him, say we dey go tell him, Papa. Since you no get sense, may we go cast the water.
You too, you need to change your plug. No, your plug of happiness, you need to change it. Because you have also forgotten that if we by any chance tell his father, they will fish us out, grill us like a sweet barbecue. You have also forgotten, the commissioner will be looking for us right now.
But we covered our faces now. We even wore wig with heavy makeup. Who tell you say they go catch us?
Okay.
No, who tell you go just there they blab and now you the type person make them change blog. But are you really need to stop till they buy whatever they take from that cheap place where they take?
No problem.
Because tell me, at this point, if we not ginger this guy, threaten him, say we they go cast the matter, this our money no go come out. If you don't want your money, girl, I want my money.
Why is the matter?
Now they try to tell you, may you not say it's no longer.
Why is the shout?
It's no longer fun. My papa died because of this matter.
Your papa died.
I said my papa died because of this matter.
Every time your papa died.
Listen to me. If you don't want your money, me I want my money. And when this thing started, now you the ginger, the para, they tell me all kinds of. What did you not tell me? You called me wacky-tacky. What did you not tell me? Even you shorted my shoe.
But wait, to
provide my
money.
money.
You see this thing where we talk now,
Girl.
That's your same jokery pottery attitude. You still portray it.
Now this same jokery pottery, whatever you are calling it, is what
Girl, stop!
Now. Find the money. No, find the money. Find the money. Cheerleader, find the money now. Bring the guy, provide the guy.
Why are you backing?
My father died because of this.
And so?
My money has to come out.
My father died. My father died.
My father died because of this.
What a fucking
I need my money now.
Why are you shouting?
I need my money. It don't get serious, so.
See,
it don't get serious.
Never reach.
Hey,
never reach.
Okay.
No wala.
Never reach.
Start to the call up.
I don't get it. You said they were discussing something about money.
Yes, ma. A deal like that has to do with a man. But I didn't get to know the whole gist. But I'm sure it's something illegal.
You didn't get the whole gist, but you're sure it's something illegal.
Yes, ma.
So how did you know it's something illegal when you didn't get the whole gist?
They were hiding and discussing it, ma. I told you those girls were of no good. They are into something shady, ma.
Do you have a vital information or just this nonsense you're blabbling?
Yeah, ma. They were discussing about one Kenny.
Kenny?
Kenny. Yes, ma.
Girls, it's been more than 2 weeks since that guy promised, and yet nothing has happened. It's obvious we've been swindled. Chiso, you have to bring down your voice. If you continue like this, Priscilla will have no other option than to find out about this.
I'm sorry, I'm just angry.
We know say Kenny don't run us straight. That one will they hide. But we could treat him fuck up finally. You man know that one now. Just a matter of time.
My own is that it's obvious, very obvious that guy must have left town. I wish, I don't know, maybe I should tell Chike about this.
Osi Chike? Did I hear Chike?
Who is?
No, Osi Chike.
Please, who is Chike?
What is bringing Chike in this matter now?
Who is Chike?
Her police friend.
Eh? You are dating a policeman.
It seems you've forgotten what Chike is going to do to us. If he finds out the kind of business that we're doing, he will be the first person to put us behind bars.
But what do you want us to do?
Hey,
please, we have to do something about this. We have to do something about this now. That guy must not go scot-free. Let's do something about this. Do what?
But you have mind though, you are dating a policeman.
What is even on What is even on
Madam?
What is going on here?
All of you should gather here.
Ma?
What business do you people have with the commissioner's son? What? What business do you people have with the commissioner's son?
Commissioner's son.
Ishokuna.
You people are shocked. You think I will not find out?
Where?
How dare you people have a deal with the commissioner's son? Behind my back. How dare you?
Are you doing it? Do I know anybody commissioner?
So I'm talking about Kenny. And don't you dare lie to me.
Kene. Madam, please, who is Kene? Is he a client? Is he?
Seriously, we don't know what you're talking about.
Madam, I know what I'm saying. Let it not be that one enemy somewhere is looking for a way to scatter us. Scatter this beautiful friendship.
Am I your husband or are you my wife?
We are
what nonsense are you talking about?
Have any of you heard about Madam?
So it has gotten to the extent you three will look me in the face and lie.
No.
Really?
My no honesty. I think it's high time you started trusting the people you're working with.
Yes.
Because if you don't trust us, how then will you believe us?
You know?
Innocent girls like us.
Remember this day. See this day. Go and mark this date. Remember it and put it in your memory. Because you'll never have this conversation again. And get out of my presence, you fools. Go back to your duties.
Sorry, ma.
Are you dragging here with me? Faf, push you down from that your mountain you call here.
What the fuck is wrong with this bitch? I told her not to call me again.
Baby, who is that?
I don't understand. Is that your fucking business? What's your fucking business? And why are you even lying down like that on my bed when you're supposed to be massaging my legs? My friend, get your ass up and get to work ASAP. Hurry up! Grab those legs and walk on them. Bitch. What are you doing? Get down there. Get down there. Asking as my boss, yeah?
See, I am very sure that is that mad demon, that demonic girl that calls herself Priscilla, that looks like a mosaic act that's supposed to be in the zoo. I'm sure she's the one that told Madam God about this our deal. That girl.
Girls, listen. That's the more reason we have to stop having certain conversations in that restaurant. Yes, we don't know who might be listening to us. So let's stop.
Yeah. I am very scared though, to be honest. If you ask me, it's better we tell Madam Godo. Yes, it's better we come out and tell her what is going on. Maybe she can help us to retrieve the money. Since our so-called cheerleader here cannot retrieve the money anymore.
You know, you're very saucy. You see this your tacky wacky attitude? This your jockey pokey attitude? You're very saucy. I ain't gonna do that shit with you. Don't you dare in your life try to call me a cheerleader again. The next thing that you will say your father died. Your father died. Are you the only one that the father died?
Oh, you are still speaking English for me? Eh? You are speaking English for me? Because I've not started fighting you physically, Abi? No, because I've not started going head on head with you.
No, if you go physically with me, I go spiritually with you.
Oh, you can go spiritually too? Yeah. No, you can go spiritually. You have to warn this your friend. Tell her to find my money. My father died because of this deal. Speaking vocabulary for me. Tell her to retrieve my money. Oh. Girl, is it because I've not started fighting?
That's why she started shouting, until Priscilla heard it in the restaurant. She's still shouting again. So that another person will still hear the shouting and she's still shouting like a mad dog.
Is it because nobody in your family died? That's why you are running your mouth for me, eh? You must lose somebody. You will bury somebody. No, it has gotten to that point. No. If it was you who lost your father, you will not be here telling me that I'm shouting. Is it because I've not started fighting you?
Fighting me for what?
No, is it because I've not started going physical with you?
If you go physical with me, I will go spiritual with you. Stop. You think I have time to deal with people like you? You that are supposed to be chilling in the ocean with the sharks. You want me to be dealing with people like you? I don't have your time. You think I have your time?
Okay, expired ostrich with your long legs. With your long legs. No problem. Next time I see you, we will fight. You
Fight with
you are
me.
talking to me now because your father did not die.
The father will. If he die, he die. Okay, can come one.
Because I know you don't have respect for your family.
Oh.
Do you respect your parents?
Do they respect me
That's why
too?
you will not care.
Do they respect me?
We are talking about money, not this.
Please,
Stop
I'm begging you in
it.
the name of God.
Listen, I tell
the next time you want to do this kind of shady nonsense attitude, please don't bring me into it. And listen, until this girl changes this shoe, her life will never change.
No problem. Get my money. Get my money. Expired ostrich. That is what you have. Please go. Nonsense. Me, I don't know where you're going. If you are going, that's a business. I'm going. The next time you will not like it.
So that's it.
Look at this expired ostrich. Go home. Go home. Next time you must give me my money.
Taki waki.
You must give me my money.
Expired ostrich. Really? Is that how we are going to end it? Is that how we are going to end it? You are talking about our money.
You can't waste you like next time it's not going to be funny.
Jeez. This one is Taki waki. Expired ostrich. Really, girls?
Mama.
Yay! Uncle comfortable na say wahala.
Who check it there?
Mama, this is why you're hyping me. This is why you're hyping me. You up to something. You know, whenever you hype me like this, you must be up to something.
But that's the truth now. Yes.
You
are an angel. You are an angel. You are an angel. You are the source of my happiness. I'm so proud of you.
Mama, thank you so much. And I promise I will always make you proud.
I trust you. I trust you, Mom. Oh? Thank you so much. Oh? Mama, there is something that is bothering me that someone told me.
What is it, Mama?
Someone said you are into prostitution. Is it true?
God forbid! Chukwa! Guinea!
Can you imagine?
Hey! No, what people? How can someone say a thing like that now? How can someone want to tarnish my good image, my reputation? Why now?
It has not come to that now. Are you crying?
Me. Mama. This one will tame too much.
No, don't worry yourself.
You know me now.
I trust you. Not only knowing you, I trust you so much. Oh, don't worry. It came from a distractor who I thought was my friend. So don't worry yourself.
Mama, look at what you're doing, Look at the kind of friends you keep. What kind of friend is that one now? Friend that wants to destroy your own lovely daughter.
I have dismissed her. I'm going to go me since. So don't worry yourself.
Hey,
I know they're just being jealous. I know you.
Don't
worry.
You know me now. I can never sell my body.
I trust
never.
You. I trust you 100%.
Mama, what are you saying? You see this my soft skin. If I sell it, look at me now. If I try it, I'm finished. I got dumb because
I know. Are you telling me? Nwa bugodi mmemme. Nwa bugodi tomato juice. Hey! Ama nise bugogi. Nise bugogi. Nenu nwa nekene skin. Hey! I want to touch you. It's not that I don't want to feel your body. You know you're putting on white.
Yes, I understand, Mama. Let me go inside and rest because this thing you just told me now. Seriously, I'm not happy.
No, you have to be happy. Makando chukie maji we happy. Na bo bia bo wasina ne kada nwam, Ha, mo ke de kandi hostess. Imaka. Imaka. Ya kwa crash then oh wow. Oh, ne kada nwa. Ogono. Hey, esi no ge mo lo nwa, ne kana no nwa. Ah, e de ke gade. Nothing do you. Hey, That my daughter is in position dojo.
Let it not be who I'm thinking.
Could that be?
Maybe chicken.
Chicken. Why? Which one is chicken? What is bringing chicken to this man?
Maybe that your police boyfriend when no get left.
I beg, see, you must be joking. Chicken should better not know about this matter. Because if he does, that means we are going back into that place, and you know that. I know what I'm telling you. Ha. What is bringing chicken into this matter now?
Hi, baby.
What is wrong with you now? Why are you running?
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, honey. Hello, ladies.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, happy freedom.
Thank you.
It's good to have you guys back.
You did it.
Like, you did. Oh my goodness, thank you.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, baby. You know I care about you a lot and I want the best for you. It was not really an easy task bringing you guys out, but I'm happy I did. Money exchanged hands. But it's good to have you guys back.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome, my love. And ladies, I don't know what got you guys into this mess, but please, I want you guys to be very careful next time, okay? You have to keep your tracks very clean and make sure you be very careful because the same persons that threw you guys in jail still want you guys to go back, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling.
I really appreciate it.
I've missed you so much, baby.
I missed it too.
Babe, please make sure you're very careful, okay? I don't want you back there, okay?
Okay.
All right, ladies. I have a meeting to catch up with. See you guys later.
Okay.
Please
Bye.
be careful, ladies.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.